We'll continue to our applicant demographics page. Our citizenship status block is another one that has some special branch logic magic associated to it. If I say non-citizen, it wants me to choose things like an immigration status, a visa number, and an expiration date. But if I would have chose citizen, I don't get anything extra. So I've just got some basic demographics fields. Again, the ones with the red asterisks are going to be required. I'm actually going to leave this first one, what is your gender, so we can see what it will look like when it lets me know that I have a required field not answered. You'll also notice that the language and disabled fields each have a little blue question mark next to the field name. That is what we call the help text. Another thing that your site administrator can set up on each field. And what it will do is if I hover over it, it tells me, it pops up with whatever language was in the help text field for that field. So for language, I'm getting, please tell us your primary language. And disabled is, do you have a physical or mental disability? So just, again, some helpful information about that particular field and what we're asking for. Some programs will also use it for the verbiage that they actually want their intake users to say to the applicant. So it may be used in that way as well. Our domestic violence block here is another one with some special magic. So if we say yes, we want to know the relationship to abuser. And disabled will also pop up with our nature of disability, again, only if we select yes here. And this one happens to be a multi-select. So you can see that I can select multiple different values or just one value at a time. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit continue, knowing that, again, we haven't entered one of our required fields at the top there. So this is what it will look like, again, when I skip a required field. All the way at the top of the form, it will show me which field with the field name, and then the actual field itself will be highlighted in red as well. So it makes it pretty easy to find the field that you haven't entered yet. Select our value, and then we can continue.